What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Dark Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so not miss future videos. So I'm going to combine kind of like two videos into one. I'm just going to show you a little bit of the dividend snowball effect, how it's looking with my M1 Finance dividend portfolio. And there's also an affiliate link at the end of this video in the comment section if you're interested in creating a fractional share dividend portfolio. And if you sign up under the affiliate name, there's potential for earning some income starting off. So you get paid basically to sign up. We both do. So that's a bonus for doing that. But I'll also reflect on I was on a X space, okay? And we went over TSLY. It was with the YieldMax pros, but there was a lot of cons. So I'm going to go over that and reflect on what they discussed. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check out this video right now. I'm going to be a little brief because I really want to go over what I heard with these guys with YieldMax and the people that were kind of high ups with affiliated with YieldMax. And they kind of explained a few things, but really the dividend snowball effect is doing really well for me. I've made $204 with IIPR, Vici Properties 104. One Main Financial Group 137, Enterprise Product Partners 120, Trinity Capital I made 114.80. Now again, if I get to 400 shares with these three, imagine that to buy my dividend growth stocks. Gaming and Leisure Properties 111.27. One Oak I made 97.80 total. Pfizer I made 94.53, and I've been buying One Oak, so check out my previous videos, about 2 or 3 videos before this one. I explained my rationales as to why I bought them. MPLX is doing very well at 79.04. Truist Financial Corp 76.92. National Storage Affiliates Trust I made 76.14 so far. Keep Smart 72.33. U.S. Bank Corp. Look, I've been going after the financial sector and real estate sector. In this past year, in 2023, I appeared to throw $30,000+ into my dividend portfolio, and I'm almost at 100,000. These financial sector stocks are doing very well. U.S. Bank Corp, Citizens Financial Group 49, Fifth Third Bank Corp I made 48.76, Premier Financial Corp I made 40.98, Bank OZK I made 40.29 before, Wendy's I made 39.20, Starbucks I made 37.38, Fidus Investment Corp 34.70. T Rowe, I made 30.70. Saratoga Investment Corp so far 27.17. Simon Property Group 26.21. Triple Point Venture Growth BDC 24.89. FSK KKR 24.59. NNN REIT 23.73 so far. Kroger 18.06. Essential Properties Trust, I've started buying them, and I made 14.68. Pepsi 13.65 and Hormel Foods 11.60. So I just want to say I threw everything into this one little ETF and I called it TSLY. I wish it would show me how much I earn from everything, but in the future that'll be revealed to you. That's like Ally Bancorp, Bank of America that I have in there, Hercules Capital, and many other business development companies that I have hiding there. That will be eventually revealed as well. But let's go to TSLY. I want to reflect on this. A few things I want to go over. TSLY is 982. It is still down. And that was a big discussion that people were bringing up was TSLY and a lot of the questions they had with the people people that are in charge of YieldMax in this space. I'd love to get them on here and go over that as well. I think that'd be really interesting to discuss strategies with them, what they plan on doing. But right now it's 982. It's been taking a big dip. And if you go to their website and remember, the fund strategy will cap its potential gains if TSLA shares increase in value. The fund strategy is subject to all potential losses if TSLA shares decrease in value. which may not be offset by income received by the fund. The fund may not be suitable for all investors. So let's go to Tesla stock. So since the start of January, they've been down 15.81%. So they're down, and it somewhat correlates with TSLY. But the one thing that I want to go over, and I'll jump back to TSLY, it cracked 1002 at 940 this morning, and it's down to 983. So the thing with Tesla stock is it's very volatile. It's up and down. And as I said in my previous video, I see it'll never break $15. I don't think it'll ever get to $15 TSLY again. I don't think it'll drop down to 7. That's just me. Could be wrong. I still have shares in TSLY. So the thing with TSLY that they were discussing was, volatility. They really emphasized reinvesting TSLY, reinvest it back into each other. But the one thing that was the big topic was the S word, split. And they said that there could be a potential, if things keep on going and if they're in a certain range, will that be a discussion? Everybody's hoping that Tesla stock goes up so that TSLY can be back at 10. I would love for it to be at 10. I'm not going to rely on it completely. I would feel more comfortable at least $11, $12. I still own CONY ETF and nvdy ETF, and I still have shares of TSLY. So going at the trends of the income that it distributes. So in January of 2023, it was 99 cents. And then February 2023 was 90 cents. March, 90 cents. April, 82 cents. May, 44. June, 80. July, 106. August, 83. September 2023, 58. October, 57. November, it was 58 cents. December, it was 60 cents. In January, it was 55 cents. So I would be thrilled if it was even 40 cents or above. So the thing with TSLY, I'm not going to completely rely on it for passive income. The one thing they said, they were talking about reverse stock split and how it affects this and this and this. The one thing that, I wish I could ask them questions, they don't seem too worried about the decrease in price per share over time. I just said reinvest, reinvest, reinvest. So, I'm not, again, the way the fund is, you have to understand the fund. This is why, people say, this or ZIM as a yield trap, do you understand the way it's distributed? That's the issue. MPW right now is a yield trap. You have to understand the way they distribute the passive income, or the way ZIM distributes its income. And ZIM was way overvalued. There may be a chance of a comeback with ZIM. I'm somewhat considered throwing some money back in ZIM and see what happens. Definitely affordable. And I'm willing to take the risk. I have the revenue, I make the money to take a risk. I did a little bit of a calculated risk with TSLY. I wouldn't put all your eggs in one basket. Again, the dividend growth stocks with the dividend stocks that I revealed before that I buy, I find them way more reliable. I don't like this volatility. It's great. It goes up, it goes down. Remember, the expense ratio is 0.99%. I'm still going to hold TSLY, but it has bought dividend growth stocks for me, which is nice. So what I'm still considering doing, I had to sell some TSLY shares, kind of revealed to you on when I went live what is going on behind the scenes. But you know, it was kind of like it didn't even matter if I had an emergency fund. I had to, you know, use I had to sell some stuff. It still really hasn't hurt me, but I would love, I mean, I'm hoping that it still stays $10, $11 range, and then I can buy shares back on eTrade, use that revenue from TSLY to throw it in TSLY ETF on M1 Finance, and then use that passive income to buy dividend growth stock. So um, that's one thing that I'm still highly considering. I'll probably do CONY first and then TSLY. Um, but right now, I'm have a little bit more confidence in CONY ETF. I don't know how its distribution will be. You shouldn't rely on this distribution for retirement or for passive income because look at the volatility. I mean, January 2023 get 99 cents, and then you get January 2024 55 cents. I don't like seeing that. That's why I use it to buy my dividend growth stocks. I can't do options on M1 Finance, and it's going to take a little bit of time to master options. So this is why I buy these YieldMax ETFs to buy my dividend growth portfolio. If you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to try to squeeze in a video Friday for you. Can't promise that. We'll see. But I'll keep you posted. Keep an eye in the comment section on the YouTube channel. And if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. Take care and have a good one. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use this YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly for entertainment purposes only. I do own shares of TSLY. Do not use this channel for any form of tax purposes. Seek a financial advisor or a tax advisor for that form, or for any form of financial advice or tax advice, or a financial advisor that's certified to give financial advice. Again, this is my dividend investing journey. This is my YouTube channel, strictly for entertainment purposes only. I will hold on to TSLY unless something drastically happens. If there's a reverse stock split, I don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm just letting you know this is what I'm doing with TSLY, and investing is a risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So make sure you do your due diligence and make sure you make a wise and educated financial decision, because investing in anything, you can gain money, you can lose money. Take care. Have a great Tuesday.